Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I want to talk about 3 items I believe that you should have in your closet for the summertime. Now, as you know, I live in Florida. We don't really get much of the other seasons. Like we do, but not really. It's kind of weird. And then our weather is like very bipolar. So yeah. So for me, one item or one style of clothing that I would highly recommend you wear are off-the-shoulder dresses. They can get a little, you know, ranty, but I'm wearing one right now, long sleeves, yes I know, but it is a mini dress, or yeah, mini dress, and my fingertips go past the end of the hemline of the dress. It's super comfortable, super stretchy. I got this, I think, from Rainbow. Y'all know I love me some Rainbow, right? If you feel like this is going to be too clingy and too hot for you, there are very cute maxi dresses. House of CB, they make the cutest feminine dresses ever. So you can check them. You can check Zara, ASOS, H&M. I'll post links of whatever fits I find that I'm posting in this video because I really haven't looked at anything as yet. But yes, off the shoulder dresses, I feel like, yes, you're going to show off your shoulders, your collar, your neck bone, all that good stuff. Whether you are a small girl, a big girl, slim girl, fat girl, petite girl, whatever you want to call yourself. I feel like this shoulder, off the shoulder thing fits literally every body type. Okay, don't be afraid to wear those body hugging outfits. Don't be afraid to wear whatever it is that you want to wear. Show off your body. Show off your body. You look amazing. Next item that I absolutely love, and I have this in my closet because, like I said, I live in Florida, so year round we're wearing little to nothing, right? And it's going to be a crop top. Now, a crop top, babes, a crop top you can dress up, a crop top you can dress down. If you're just going out for drinks with the girls, if you're just going to have a drink on the beach, if you're going out for dinner, if you're going on a date, a crop top can be worn in so many ways, with leather pants, with jeans, with linen pants, with a dress, no, not a dress, I'm sorry, with a skirt, whether it's a mini skirt or a maxi skirt or a midi skirt, whether it's a bodycon skirt, whether it's a maxi skirt. It literally can go with anything. It can go with jeans, it can go with shorts, it can go with tights, it can go with leggings. I love myself a good crop top. Catch me any time of the week or any time of the day, I'm probably going to be wearing a crop top. Honestly, truly, yes. The third thing I think that you should have in your closet is going to be a button-down shirt. A button-down shirt can be worn on its own. It can be worn over said crop top, right? A button-down shirt can be worn if you do the crop top and maybe like shorts or leggings or something, and tie the button down around your waist. The button-down shirt is a great accessory to have. Going along, you know, with your jewelry and your sunglasses and your hats, because accessories are definitely a must. If you're not wearing accessories, then get yourself some good ones, darling. Okay. But yeah, I feel like the button-down t-shirt, especially in the heat at the moment and whatever, get yourself a nice cotton, something that breathes, so that when you're wearing it, you're not stifling and suffocating. And when it comes to these looks, I recommend going the more monochromatic route, where it's like kind of matchy, black top, black bottom, blue top, blue bottom, or whatever. If you do decide to mix your colors or whatever the case is, right now the color that I'm loving on my skin is that green color. That I feel like is the color of the year, truly, or color of the season. That green, oh my God, it's the prettiest color on dark skin. Okay, I love that color so much. Wear that green top or that green pants or green whatever. I've posted myself in this green a bunch of times. I've done videos in that green. Like, it's so gorgeous. Okay, if you're going to do color, get that color in your shoes, in your bag, whatever it is. Green, white, black, blue, top 4. Brown, gray, neutrals. Okay. If you have any more tips for the summertime, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to wear your sunscreen. Black women, we need sunscreen as well. don't forget it. My favorite is Black Girl Sunscreen. I love after I put it on how gorgeous my skin looks without any other product. Get yourself some. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.